Behind every successful man there is a successful woman, but behind every successful woman there is a successful man also, who not just being successful through money, but he is always standing with her, supporting her, making financial making letting her make financial decisions, and also build something of her own. So this women's week we are celebrating those men and women who have basically helped each other in supporting, standing, and building something of their own. And because of this, we invite you, Pragyan, today in the podcast where we'll talk about your journey, your challenges, the challenges that you face from society per se, from family per se, in building your own business. If you have a male figure in your life who has helped you, supported you always, who has always been a strong pillar of success for you, and more. So, but before that, we want to start with a rapid fire round wherein there are some chits kept, there are questions written on it. You have to pick up one chit. We'll have that will have a question. You have to answer it whatever comes to your mind, just like the Karan Johar show. We are starting off with the small activity and then we'll get to know you better. Should we start?
Yeah, thanks Mahima for having me over here, and I'm so excited to be here. And of course, we can start.
Sure, sure, Pragyan. Just pick up chit, whatever comes. You have to tell me whatever comes to your mind, the first thought that comes to your mind.
So the question is like, does Bangalore traffic has anything to do with productivity as an excuse? Yes. Yeah, I mean, kind of like it's too much, right? I mean, if you say like even it is equivalent to Mumbai traffic nowadays. I mean, right. Of course, when you want to reach somewhere for a meeting or something, you have to be like maybe 30-40 minutes prior you have to reach there. I mean, you should have the time. Right. And for each and every productive things, of course the time matters a lot. Right. I mean, you cannot say, I mean, decline the time phrase. So of course I believe.
Because I think people in your team also would come and say, Pragyan, we are late because Bangalore traffic made it. So the question is basically, do they use this as an excuse?
Absolutely, I've seen that many times, and everyday basis you can say.
No, that's a good one. Yeah. So we can go ahead with next.
It's a fun thing to do. I believe.
That's why we have kept a small activity for
Yeah, if your company had a Bumble bio, what would that say? Okay.
you can call it Tinder also in case you have not downloaded Bumble ever. So we are
You
okay.
know one thing, like before this Amoli, I was having another venture, of course, and like I posted in Tinder whole like everything, like this.
So you are on Tinder.
Yeah, I was. I mean, because of like it was like kind of this much of square feet, like the interior like this, that you can come to the cafe, and it was a kiosk sort of thing. So it was fun. And coming back to the question, premium yet affordable. Catch me if you can.
Okay. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. I hope most of the guys do the right swipe to it. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, let's go ahead. Have the other one.
Okay, so did your parents ever ask startup to ठीक है but काम क्या कर रही हो?
This is an important question because usually people get asked that क्या काम करती हो ठीक है तुम startup, because parents do not understand the startup word much.
Yeah, true. I mean, absolutely, I can understand. And nowadays, even startup, it's kind of FOMO for like you can sense it. What I mean to say, it's not that easy to build anything, because anything you try to build it, the very next day people are there to replicate it. So when it comes to like startup की आप क्या innovative कर रहे हो? And when it comes to my parents, my mom is a single parent. Okay. So after my education completion, I thought of to like I do have my job even. So which is aircraft maintenance engineering. And along with that, I have started my like around I believe in 2017 or 18 I started all of these things. So I faced a lot of struggle. I mean, where I'm coming from, I do know कि मैं कहाँ से आती हूँ, और मेरी माँ के लिए बहुत मुश्किल फेज़ रहा है कि मुझे मतलब मैं उनको कन्विंस कराना, एंड एब्सोल्युटली कि हाँ मैं काम कर रही थी, तो इसीलिए मुझे कहीं ना कहीं इजी हो रहा था चीज़ें. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई वुड सजेस्ट even who are trying to come to the startup industry, don't delay the process कि हाँ अभी in terms of right now मैं थोड़ा time buy कर लेती हूँ and later on I'll see कि once my startup goes or something. I would say कि first you try to have some resources where you are getting money from, and where you can even at least like you know, do something for your parents, for yourself, the least I'm talking about. Then of course you can hustle, you can do whatever you want to. I mean, yeah.
No, that's interesting, Pragyan, because is bare mein we'll talk about it after this rapid fire round is done. So, I mean, we'll stretch it out more then when the rapid fire round is done. But yes, I would love to take up this topic again. So, let's continue with the rapid fire.
Got it. The question is like, what's that one thing that your team members hate about you, but you know this is best?
This is what inside your team people feel that no, she's a Hitler, I hate her for that. But then you know you're doing good for them in the long run. That quality of yours.
I don't know. I mean, whether they do hate me or not, but I can see one thing about myself, like which is like I'm pretty soft spoken. So what
Is
happens?
that a bad thing?
Yeah, sometimes like कि people do take for granted, I believe. I mean, and I think मेरा एज थोड़ा like you know वो भी एक मैटर करता है. And when it comes to team member, they think कि the day I start working, I'll be like, in terms of from the morning to leke till night, I want everyone to be there, which is a wrong thing, I believe. I mean, they should have their mental peace and space.
So you are that toxic boss everybody complains about.
It's not toxic, boss. I believe ki, this is the thing we have to complete it within this period of time.
Startups mein
Yeah.
initially तो you have to
Yeah,
give them
so that hustle has to be there, and that passion has to be there for each and every
Right.
person.
Right.
So that's the thing, yeah.
I think I should ask this question to your employees also.
Oh, really?
Right. Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay, so cafe से काम किया है कभी? Which one is the best cafe? Where do you think you can find customers? No.
So this is basically in the context of Starbucks and CCDs and third wave cafes जिसमें ज़्यादातर लोग जाते हैं अपना लैपटॉप खोलते हैं, they start working, probably come talking to people. So उस context में I'm asking, do you
No,
believe
मैं
in
कैफे
working?
पे कॉफ़ी पीने के लिए जाती हूँ.
सिर्फ कॉफी पे you don't work from cafes.
Yeah, so far I haven't done. So yeah.
So would you want to find clients in the cafe, pitch to them, कि see this is what I'm selling because your
No, that is through LinkedIn I do, not through cafes and all. Yeah.
no, that's just justified answer. You can go ahead with the next one.
So, what's the most jugadu thing you ever did
Wow,
when you
this is
were
an
in a
interesting
situation?
question. Jugadu thing you've ever done in a situation. Situation can be with a client, with a buyer, basically.
No, jugadu things. It's just that ki we were always having, in terms of you told about stocks and all. So yeah, like we will talk about it, of course. Yeah, but when it happens like the in terms of production and all, because we earlier what happened, we tried to do a pre-order sort of things, while like you know we were in a stage of like where we were developing the product. So that point of time, like a lot of people asked us the samples and everything. So it's just that I was the one who were like formulating and everything, and little small sketches I have made it by myself, where I like my third party were giving me the products. So everything I was making like छोटा पैकेट बना के फिर मैं उनको दे रही थी. तो you can say कि that was a kind of a जुगाड़ू thing.
No, Indian startups are famous for Jugaad, and until unless you are not Jugadu, you are not an Indian.
True.
That is, yeah, let's go ahead with the next one.
So, what is the funniest or weirdest customer feedback you have ever
Wow,
got till date?
interesting. You can talk about funniest or you can talk about weirdest. Depends on you. Or either both if you have.
Funniest in terms of like our bottle is 100% aluminum bottle, not made out of plastic or anything, which is very eco-friendly. But हमारा शैम्पू और बॉडी वॉश का जो लाइक कलर है वो सिमिलर कलर है. तो पीपल आर लाइक कि ये शैम्पू कौन सा है, बॉडी वॉश कौन सा है, लाइक इट इज़ वेरी लिटिल डिफरेंट you can find out very little difference in terms of ये नियॉन कलर है और एक ऑलिव ग्रीन कलर है, तो आपको ज़्यादा फर्क दिखाई नहीं देगा, तो लोगों को कंफ्यूजन उस पे होता है.
तो लोग शैम्पू की जगह
Yeah,
body wash लगा लेते
maybe
हैं.
maybe body wash, yeah. So that's the thing.
Right. No, makes sense, makes sense. This is a funny incident, obviously. Right. So let's go forward.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you believe in fake it till you make it?
This is a very famous philosophy. A lot of startups fake. But how much do you believe कि fake करना चाहिए जब तक आपके पास वो revenue नहीं आता या जब तक वो market position नहीं होता?
No, I mean till now that's why maybe I'm not a very scalable business human. I mean to say कि I haven't done this thing, yeah. Because I think कि जब तक आप silently कर रहे हो चीज़ों को, तो आपको at the end of the day you have to give something better and bigger things to the end consumer. If it is for a short term period के लिए है, then of course you have to fake it, I believe. But if you are really thinking कि नहीं मुझे long term में जाना है, then being a founder, या वो चीज़ like वो sustainability के लिए आपको कहीं ना कहीं आपको आपके काम पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा.
Let's go ahead. I think this is the last one. Wow.
So what is the most Bangalore thing about running and choosing Bangalore as the city?
You're not from Bangalore originally, no?
No, I'm not from Bangalore.
Then why did you choose Bangalore as your startup and why are you staying in Bangalore?
या तो मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रही थी घर पे ड्यूरिंग कोविड पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, एंड उससे पहले मैं इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट बिजनेस पे भी कर रही थी, जस्ट टू लाइक डू माई like to pay my academic fees and all.
Right.
Yeah, so that's how I thought of ki I'll just come to like I was thinking to start something where like I can be little bit more organized and sustainable and stable sort of things.
Right.
Yeah, so that's how like I thought of ki I'll come to Bangalore. I was having some savings from import export business. Wow. And that's how I came, and during COVID period of time मैंने कैफे लिया, बट इट वाज अ लॉस मेकिंग.
अच्छा, you are a trained businesswoman. इतने से पहले export import, then cafe,
Yeah,
then comes
yeah.
to Amoli. Okay.
It's all a like cycle. I mean,
So you have industry experience across.
a little bit you can say.
Which is good, which is good.
Yeah, so that's
You should always make your hands dirty and then realize कि कौन सा industry
yeah,
तुम्हारे
yeah.
लिए
There
है.
is no perfect thing like in this world which doesn't have an imperfect history.
Right, right, of course. No, I
Yeah.
agree, 100%.
So that's how like I started doing Amoli.
So now I think since rapid fire is done, so all this stage is yours. Let's talk about Amoli. How did the idea come up? Why did you leave the export import business? When did Amoli come? Did you want to solve a particular problem that you faced? Like Mama Earth always says that she couldn't get some good products for her own baby. That's where she started to manufacture those creams. So you also came out of a problem, or is it you had a passion in beauty products?
So yeah, 2022. First of all, we incorporated our business. I mean, Amoli, and talk about the where I thought about like the starting, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ. तो शुरू इधर से हुआ कि मुझे खुद को एलोपेशिया एरिएटा था. Yeah, I myself was having alopecia.
Tell us a bit about what
It's
it
like
means.
alopecia areata is like a kind of autoimmune sort of disease where most of the women they do face, and even men also they do face, where like if you have like diet issues or in terms of there will be छोटा छोटा पैचेस होता है, तो उधर से आपको हेयर पूरा निकलना चालू होता है. Then slowly you can see there is a coin size of patches. So I used to go to a lot of doctors, then a lot of salons where they used to give me Kerastase and Olaplex and Moroccan oil sort of products, which is all international products. And like मैंने एकदम से 7 years approximately, I'm talking about when I was 16, because that point of time also I was doing business, like import export business. So that point of time, like I can see like the price point of a full package like combo, it used to come around, you can say 15,000 to 20,000 rupees. So मैं कुछ लाइक इनकम कर रही थी, तो आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि ओके, आई मीन मेरा इतना प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो आई हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई सेल्फ. But when you will read all the label and ingredient and everything, you can say ki most of the like products, it is going from India. They are making the product, I mean to say raw materials, and they are like again doing the import and export, and where the duty and custom and all of the price is making it like 3x 4x, whatever the price point they are like putting it. And wherever there was a third party involved everywhere, I mean the importer who will be bringing the product, so they can keep the kind of price point whatever that they do feel like. So I was like very nervous when I started also, because they are biggest giants of the markets, and they are like, if you know, even Kerastase is from L'Oreal. A lot of people doesn't know about it. या सो एंड सैलून में जितने सैलून्स पे जाती थी उतने सैलून्स में डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स मुझे देते थे कि आप ये लगा लो अच्छा हो जाएगा, आप वो लगा लो अच्छा हो जाएगा. या तो मैं कीप ऑन आई लाइक आई थॉट ऑफ कि हाँ मे बी थोड़ा टाइम लग रहा है, मे बी सही हो जाएगा. बट देयर आई वॉज नॉट नोइंग अबाउट माई रूट कॉज. मुझे रूट कॉज ही पता नहीं था, कि मुझे कोई प्रॉपर गाइडेंस भी नहीं मिल रहा था. Then again, when I started going to the doctor, that point of time they started doing this PRP and GFC, which is again they will draw your blood from your veins and they will so it is a very hectic process. I mean for every individual, if you see, it's not easy. I mean financially, mentally, I mean all the aspects, if you see every aspect, it's not easy. So that's how Amuli ka generation hua.
So Amuli, the main problem you are solving is
No,
basically
I mean to say, if you are like what we are trying to do, we are trying to minimalize the hair care and skin care sector. We are trying to bring 10 bottles of product in one bottle. मतलब 10 bottles का efficiency जितना हो सकता है, आप मान के चलिए एक लड़की के हिसाब से आपका इश्यूज क्या रहता है. यू विल बी हैविंग डैंड्रफ, फ्रीजीनेस, हेयर फॉल, कलर ट्रीटेड हेयर, केमिकल ट्रीटेड हेयर, यही सारा इश्यूज रहता है. करेक्ट. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व ऑल द इश्यूज मैक्स प्रोबेबली लाइक 1 to 2 बॉटल के अंदर.
अच्छा, लिमिटेड क्वांटिटी बट सॉल्विंग.
बहुत ही क्लटर्ड हो गया है मार्केट, एंड एट अ वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस पॉइंट. अगर आप एक शैम्पू लेने जाओगे डैंड्रफ के लिए, आपको हेयर मास्क प्रोवाइड करेंगे, सेरम प्रोवाइड करेंगे, शैम्पू प्रोवाइड करेंगे, विच इज़ अगेन फॉर फ्रीज. या अगेन आपका वो ख़त्म होते ही फिर आपको फ्रीजीनेस पे फिर काम करना पड़ रहा है, फिर कलर ट्रीटेड हेयर के ऊपर काम करना पड़ रहा है. तो हाउ मेनी प्रोडक्ट्स यू विल बी हैविंग.
So you have like an all-in-one product.
Yeah.
आपसे कोई लोग एक product ले और that can solve all the problem. Which is exciting.
Yeah. So even it's like we have done it in like aluminum bottle, which is again eco-friendly and sustainable. So yeah, I mean to say हम थोड़ा वो cluttered जो हो गया है market, उसको एक affordable price point पे पहुंचा पाए लोगों के पास. Yeah.
No, which makes sense. So how did you find your few customers, Pragyan? Like आपके initial customers were through reference, or how did that name in the market go? Is basically solving for
Yeah,
this.
so of course we were doing a lot of PR initially.
Paid PR.
Yeah, absolutely. And we approached to a lot of pharmaceutical like pharma, I mean pharmacies and all, where and even we wanted to directly approach a lot of dormats. Of course they, that point of time when they seen the label and all the COA certifications and all, like in which parameter you are adding all of this ingredients and all. So after knowing all the things, they were like pretty surprised to see such formulations. And that's how like we kept our product like बहुत सारे फार्मेसी के अंदर हमने रखा पहले. more than I think 90 to 100 pharmacy एंड वी वेर लाइक काइंड ऑफ सरप्राइज कि हम कोई मार्केटिंग नहीं करा रहे. PR इज डिफरेंट थिंग एंड
हाँ, PR is
marketing
just for your brand visibility. People.
PR इज एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट थिंग एंड मार्केटिंग इज अ डिफरेंट थिंग. तो हमने जब देख रहे कि उन लोग ने जैसे कि जस्ट दे वांटेड टू टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट. आई मीन थोड़ा थोड़ा उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर उन लोगों को समझाया. दैट्स हाउ हमने पहली महीने में ही वी सोल्ड आउट आई थिंक सम 900 बॉटल्स.
Wow, that's huge. No, that's good. I think अगर knowledge लोगों को हो जाता है regarding what you are solving, I think people will automatically take things. So did you ever try pitching your idea to Shark Tank also?
No, not yet. I mean, not yet. Yeah.
Because I think this also requires a, I mean, this might need a global stage also where people should know about it. I'm not sure how many people still know and resonate with your brand because you're not doing any marketing also. बट वो एक स्टेज अगर आपको मिलता है जहाँ पे लोग जानते हैं बिकॉज यू आर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम मेडिकली अगेन. आई थिंक दैट इज़ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज लॉरियल मेबलिन ये मामा अर्थ तो है ही इंडस्ट्री में, बट देन यू आर सॉल्विंग अ प्रॉब्लम विच इज क्रिएटिंग इम्पैक्ट विच इज़.
See, that's what you can bring. I told you initially, मतलब हमारा कॉन्वर्सेशन जब स्टार्ट हुआ मैं आपको वही बोला कि कुछ भी चीज़ें आप लाओ टुमारो इट कुड बी रेप्लिकेटेड. मतलब वो रेप्लिकेट होना बहुत ईजी है. हाँ, तो चीज़ें ये कि आप क्या सॉल्व कर रहे हो.
So you have your own manufacturing unit?
नो, वी आर पार्टनर्ड विथ.
अच्छा, योर पार्टनर.
सो क्या आप सॉल्व कर रहे हो. अगर एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द कंज्यूमर इज़ नॉट हैप्पी, सो आई डोंट थिंक आप कुछ भी आप दे पा रहे हो सोसाइटी को हो या सो देयर शुड बी अ विजन, राइट. आई मीन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो. या सो ग्लोबली ऑफ कोर्स वी आर, हम बहुत सारे कंट्री को हमने सैम्पल्स भेजे थे. बट ऑफ कोर्स वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन आवर प्राइस पॉइंट लिटिल बिट एंड बिकॉज जितना आप सही इंग्रेडिएंट्स डाल रहे हो उतना प्राइस कॉस्ट बढ़ता जाता है. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल थिंग and we initially when we just kept a very like minimal margin, very minimal margin, when we started. So now we are working कि कैसे इसको globally लेके जाए.
राइट. नो, आई थिंक दैट हैज़ द पोटेंशियल ऑफ कि ग्लोबल लोगों को भी पसंद में आए कि इंडिया में ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे हैं. हैप्पी टू हेयर दैट स्टोरी. So Pragyan, like I would want to know about like I mean we just have 30 minutes of the episode where we have to cover a lot of things and I think वो 30 minutes हमारे लिए बहुत कम है to know your story also. But I would like to know what advice would you like to give to young girls who want to build up on their own जिसमें conditions hostile हैं, families allow नहीं कर रहे हैं or probably they do not have the right partner. Like you are also, like you said, you are a single, you have a single parent but still she supported you in things. So what advice would you like to give to the young girls who come from the same situation but want to build something of their own? Maybe one piece of advice.
आई थिंक कि आप कभी भी कोई परफेक्ट टाइम के लिए वेट मत करो. हम मोस्टली ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी जो नेचर होता है क्या होता है कि वी आर लाइक कि हाँ कल मैं ये करूँगी या लाइक टुमारो आई विल डू इट. So don't wait for it. Whatever the resources, whatever the talent, whatever the creativity, whatever you have, just take it. आप शुरू करो. I mean to say just start. And moreover, you should have a mentality. I mean the strong mentality to cope up with the failure. I mean कि कितना आपके पास
strong होना चाहिए.
हाँ, तो मान के चलो 50 बार लाइक फेल होते हो. इट्स नॉट दैट कि दैट्स लाइक ओके फाइन ये नहीं हुआ. आप ये ब्रेक डाउन मोमेंट भी बहुत लोगों को नहीं मिलता है. ये जो सुकून का ब्रेक डाउन मोमेंट भी बहुत लोगों को नहीं मिलता है.
इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ सक्सेस. लोग सोचते हैं कि फेलियर तो अलग है बट वो पार्ट ऑफ सक्सेस.
सी आप रात पे रो रहे हो कोई रीज़न के लिए, वैलिड रीज़न के लिए रो रहे हो. इट्स ओके टू क्राई, इट्स ओके टू हैव दैट हार्ट ब्रोक मोमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग. आई बिलीव ये चीज़ सोच के चलो कि आप किस चीज़ के लिए रो रहे हो, किस चीज़ के लिए डिप्रेस हो रहे हो, किस चीज़ के लिए आपको वो एंग्जाइटी आ रहा है. इफ़ देयर इज़ अ वैलिड पॉइंट then you are on a right track. I mean okay fine, you can even come out of it.
No, makes sense. सही बात है. No, I think that was good, Pragyan. I wanted to know more about Amoli. बहुत चीज़ें और बात करनी है but I think again we are running short of time and audience would not want to see the whole entire thing. But I think it was very good session with you, Pragyan, and I loved speaking to you, loved knowing your story. And I think you have a blog of your own also that you write. You journal things.
in terms of like,
Like you write your journeys
yeah,
somewhere
that's
in
that's
your.
actually, I would say to, like, whoever watching this podcast, please do write whatever you think, like, whatever you are believing. Better to write it in a paper, piece of paper, so that you'd never know what will, like, like क्या आपको मिलने वाला
It's like more of therapeutic also कि बाद में अपना खुद से पढ़ो तो you realize कि you have.
बहुत सारी चीज़ें होता है. जस्ट हैव फेथ इन योर सेल्फ एंड यू नो वॉट इज़ योर, लाइक, कि आप कितना फ्राजाइल हो आपको पता है. आपका मतलब स्ट्रेंथ क्या है आपको पता है. येस, एवरीबडी हैव देयर ओन, लाइक, स्ट्रेंथ.
No, that's absolutely right. I wish more women think like you. वो ऐसा करें और आगे जाके पढ़ें. And I think very good message you gave. Very happy to listen your story and take this story to the whole world to listen it also. And thank you again, Pragyan, for coming today and giving your time here. I hope to meet again soon and hope to have more podcasts where we can listen to your story for hours. Thank you so much for your
Thanks,
time.
Mahima, for having me over here, and thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk about it.
Yes.